Hey.
Come on, if you like what you see, you should put your hands together for these guys. They're putting it out there for you today. Are we having some fun or what? Infineon is a great place for drag racing.